What if I told you there's an investment account with no contribution limits, no withdrawal penalties, and the ability to give you tax advantaged income in retirement, but most people barely use it? In 2025, the brokerage account might be the most overlooked tool in your financial plan. Stick around because today I'll show you why a brokerage account can be your secret weapon, how to use it alongside your retirement accounts, and the smart moves to make in 2025 to grow wealth and reduce taxes. And I'll share two case studies, including one where a couple used their brokerage account to retire 5 years earlier than planned. Hi, I'm Casey Kraft, a financial advisor with Raymond James. On this channel, I share practical strategies to help you build confidence with your money, prepare for retirement, and make financial decisions that give you more independence and freedom in life. If that sounds like something you're interested in, well, then you're in the right spot. Let's go. Most people only think of their 401ks or IRA when they think retirement savings. And those are great, but they come with rules, contribution limits, age restrictions, and penalties for early withdrawals. A brokerage account, there's no contribution limits, there's no age restrictions, there's no early withdrawal penalties, and there's flexible access to your money. It's not about replacing your 401k or IRA. While using a traditional brokerage account will have tax implications, they give an additional layer of flexibility that IRAs and 401ks just can't provide. Tyler is a 38-year-old professional earning $200,000 a year. He maxes out his 401k and Roth IRA every year, but he still has money left to invest. So he opens a brokerage account and invests $2,000 per month into index funds and ETFs. Assuming a 7% average annual return by age 55, just 17 years later, he's on track to have about $740,000. If he keeps going with that same pace until age 65, he's looking at over $1.7 million. That's the power of compounding when you give it enough time. Do you have any idea how many trips that is to Discovery Cove in Orlando, Florida? You can rent a cabana and swim with dolphins so many times with that kind of quiche. This account doesn't just grow wealth, it gives him the freedom to choose when and how he wants to step away from work. Here's something most people don't realize. You can sometimes withdraw money from a brokerage account tax-free. In 2025, if you're married filing jointly with taxable income under $96,700, your long-term capital gains tax rate is 0%. That means you could sell investments you've held for more than a year and pay nothing in federal taxes. And even if you earn more, careful planning, like staggering withdrawals and pairing gains with losses, can keep your tax bill surprisingly low. Tom and Linda, both 64, had about $600,000 in their retirement accounts and $250,000 in a brokerage account. Instead of tapping into their 401k right away, they used their brokerage account to cover $30,000 a year in living expenses. Because of the way their income was structured, they stayed in a 0% capital gains tax bracket. The result? Well, they paid $0 in federal taxes on those withdrawals while delaying Social Security until age 70. That strategy saved them nearly $6,000 per year in taxes and boosted their eventual Social Security checks by more than $500 per month. For them, this means relaxing a little bit more and eating out at real restaurants more frequently instead of going to Costco or Sam's Club every Saturday afternoon for lunch, aka making the rounds at the sample tables. You know what I mean. You've done it. I've done it. I still do it. Mark and Rachel, early 60s with $2 million saved, used their $400,000 brokerage account to cover the gap before Social Security. By leaning on their brokerage funds first, they kept their taxable income low, avoided tapping into IRAs too soon, and retired 5 years earlier than expected. This is why I say the brokerage account isn't just an investment account, it's a flexibility account, a freedom account. Number 1, harvest losses strategically. Sell underperforming stocks to offset gains and lower taxes. Number 2, reinvest dividends. It's free compounding you don't want to miss. 3, plan your withdrawals. Pull from your brokerage in low-income years to minimize taxes. These aren't flashy, but they add up to thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands over a retirement. And now Mark and Rachel can focus on doing what they love the most, yelling at the other person from across the house while the other pretends not to hear them. Here's the bottom line. A brokerage account gives you flexibility, control, and tax planning opportunities that retirement accounts can't match. If you want to build wealth, protect against any tax surprises, and maybe even retire early, this account deserves a seat at your table. If you'd like to learn more or see what it's like to work together, click the link in the description below to set up a time to chat. And don't forget, subscribe and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. And if you have a brokerage account, comment below on how it has helped you with your financial progress. Thanks so much. See you next time.